Hello, I'm John and I'm here at AO, and today I'm going to tell you how to get the most out of your Apple Pencil. Whether you're sketching, editing photos or taking notes, your Apple Pencil is a very powerful tool with the iPad. Now, on the first generation Apple Pencil, if you lift the cap at the base of it, it reveals a port. You plug your USB cable into there and the same into the bottom of your iPad. In doing so, the pencil will automatically connect. On a second generation pencil, you find the magnetized edge on the iPad and simply attach the pencil to it. On the screen, you'll get a prompt asking you to pair the pencil with the iPad and just click connect. It also charges your pencil on the edge. This works seamlessly with other well-known apps like GoodNotes, Procreate or Fresco. On the second generation pencils, you can double tap and that will switch between the tools on supported apps. You can also use this on the Notes app, which is great if you want to sketch or draw, or you can take down notes and it converts it straight into text. There's a setting on here called Scribble, which means when you write into any text box, it will automatically convert your handwriting into text. So lastly, here's some troubleshooting tips. If you find that you're having difficulty with pairing, make sure that you've definitely turned the Bluetooth settings on. If you're still struggling, just restart the iPad. Sometimes it needs that just for the pencil to connect and talk to your iPad. If you're using a first generation and you're having issues with connection, check to see if there's any dust or grime in any of the ports or on the cable. For the second generation pencils, make sure that you've definitely got it aligned perfectly on the magnetic strip.